People typically think that defendants in the criminal justice system only plead guilty because they are guilty. However, there are a wide variety of pressures that can encourage defendants to plead guilty, even when they are innocent. For example, some defendants face a prison sentence if convicted at trial that they can avoid if they plead guilty. Others find the trial process stressful and intimidating and plead guilty to avoid it. In this system, the majority of defendants plead guilty. Guilty pleas are not simple admissions of guilt, and children are particularly vulnerable.
Children can have difficulties understanding the law and how it relates to them. Prioritize superficial and short-term benefits. Find trials particularly difficult, and be susceptible to various pressures.
In our recent survey, legal professionals in England and Wales estimated, on average, that around 15 in every 100 children who plead guilty are innocent. Some children who have pleaded guilty also maintain their innocence. And children who plead guilty are often not happy with their plea.
Children need support from specially trained lawyers with the ability to identify their vulnerabilities and to ensure they receive appropriate support. Vulnerability is not always obvious. For example, it may be hard to identify poor understanding since children have a tendency to answer yes or no when asked questions, rather than admitting that they do not know or need clarification. These specialist lawyers need to be given time with children prior to court hearings in order to gain the trust of the child, understand their actions and vulnerabilities, and address the influence of any pressures or misconceptions. Sentencers should also consistently recognize that because of the time necessary to work with children, it is often unreasonable to expect a child to enter a guilty plea at the first stage of proceedings, particularly where information relating to their case is received late.
These additional protections have the potential to minimize the number of innocent children who are convicted and to protect the right of all children to a fair trial. For more information, please visit our website.